Hey family, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I will be showing you the secret to my sauteed pork chops with onion gravy. And I found this recipe online, but I had to put my own Miss T twist to it. Anyways, if you have any questions or comments about this recipe, please leave them down below. Now stay tuned for the video. So first things first, we're going to season our pork chops. I'm going to start off with some seasoning salt and black pepper. And then next we want a really thick herb crust. So I'm going to add some minced garlic, rosemary, and parsley flakes. It's okay to go kind of heavy on this because we really want to bite into that flavor, y'all. And after you got your pork chops all seasoned up, we're going to saute the pork chops in olive oil for about 5 or 6 minutes each side. We just want to brown them a little bit. We don't want to cook them all the way through. So whenever you see a nice, beautiful golden brown color, go ahead and take them out. Then we'll bake these in the oven for about 20-25 minutes or so at 375 degrees. But I think you have a choice in whether you want to bake these covered or uncovered. And now we're going to make our onion gravy. So we're going to add our yellow onion and our baby bella mushrooms to that same frying pan where we fried the pork chops in, so we can get some of that seasoning from the pork chops. And we're just going to saute that for a few minutes until the onions caramelize. After the onions caramelize, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients to this mixture. Then we'll let it simmer for a few minutes, and then it'll be ready to top those pork chops. Guys, I think you are going to absolutely love these sauteed pork chops with this onion gravy. It really gives you a nice flavor, and it's a little something different because you don't want to do fried all the time or smothered and covered pork chops. These are really delicious. So guys, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't be shy, give your girl a like, and I will see you next time. Peace.